What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today is the day we fixed the bike. Last week ago I broke down in Oak Park. I don't know what the fuck just happened at all. Like, I literally get no signal at all. I fried my wiring harness, etc, etc, etc. I did a whole bunch of diagnostics, breaking down, figuring out the wiring, stuff like that, and it just kept blowing my FI light, and turned out to be a short in the wire harness. Regardless how many wires I fixed and stuff and corrected, there's still a short, and I'm pretty sure that the ECU is bad. So I got a new ECU, got a new wire harness in. So now we're gonna put the bike back together, and we're just gonna knock this out and pray that this starts and there's nothing else that needs to be replaced, because I'm head over heels irritated, but I'm happy that we got a new harness, a brand new harness, and a brand new ECU with low mileage on it and stuff like that, and nothing spliced together. In this box right here, we got a whole bunch of extra brackets and parts from my boy Mathew Armstrong from Las Vegas. I appreciate you, man, for getting this overnighted to me. As you saw in the last video, the harness, where is it at? So this right here, for the cam angle sensor and all that, this was fried on the inside, and this one's pretty cleaned. It needs to be cleaned up and degreased and stuff like that, but this is pretty clean, along with the connectors for this. Oh wow, that connector's not fried or burnt up. This connector is all good and not fried and burnt up. So yeah, all the harnesses and wirings and stuff like that is all good. Now we just gotta plug it in and hook everything up. So this is only gonna take me about 10 minutes. This is only gonna take me about 10-15 minutes, but I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse just because I'm super eager to get this done. Once I get it done, I'll show y'all what I did, and we're gonna crank it, and hopefully it starts. If the fuel pump primes, dang, fingers crossed that it primes. But if the fuel pump primed, then we know that the bike will start. So see y'all in a bit. Everything put back together. There are a couple of plugs and sensors that I am gonna have to go back on, and like either I'm gonna have to electrical tape them so that they don't disconnect. But everything back together. My heart is racing right now, so fingers crossed that this 20 amp fuse does not fucking blow. That's you! So, let's go! Hell yeah, boy! Hell yeah! Bro, my heart's fucking racing right now, bro. Fuck, dude. Like, a whole fucking week of diagnosing the other wire harness just to find out that the ECU was, this ECU was fried. Like, the ECU was fried, and everything else was fried, bro. I'm so fucking happy. Now I can ride to work and ride again. Like, this is a huge, like, I'm so freaking happy, dog. I'm like shaking right now. I'm gonna start it back up again. Dog, that sound. yeah, wire harness was bad, ECU was bad. Now I can go back, put all the final button ups on this, and then, yeah, we can ride to work, we can ride again. Thank you, Mathew, if you're watching this, man, Mathew Armstrong, if you're watching this from Vegas, bro, I fucking love you, man. Like, you just made my whole fucking day, bro. Like, I'm very grateful. If you ever need any parts, CBR 600 people, if you ever need some parts and you're having some shorting issue, that's the guy to go to. Oh, man. I don't know what to say right now. I really don't know what to say other than, like, I'm happy, relieved, and joyed. Like, overjoyed right now. Like, I really want to just go ride right now. But I got like 3 more hours before I go to work. So I'm gonna finish up, button up the sensors that are messed up and don't have the clip connectors, and then put everything back together, put the fairings back on, and then, yeah, I can't say anything, bro. I really can't say anything else. I'm like lost for words right now. I'm so happy. But yeah, this is gonna conclude today's video. We got the bike back up and running. Now that this is back up and running, we just gotta do a couple more things. I gotta get a new fork. I gotta fix the front wheel, get the front wheel done, and I gotta do the brakes again in the rear. But anyway, that's enough talking. That pretty much concludes today's video. I am super pumped now. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm so freaking happy. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. After you get done doing that, hit the notification bell so that you get more notification for when I drop some more videos. We are going to be coming out with the stunt lot videos and stunt ride videos. There actually is a WCC stunt ride out in Oakland end of this month that I'm going to be going to with Mathew. So I will be showing off his CBR 600RR depending on which one he brings. He has hella 600RR stunt bikes that I'm actually going to try to bring light onto. The 600RRs are not a very common stunt bike, but it can be done. So I will be bringing some light on that and getting some ideas for him and just showing a different side of the view for the stunt community. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know the deal. Subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.
Since I had my nose fully, yeah.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal, I'll rearrange your gendo.